Yo, what's up guys? We're keeping it healthy today with another garden-inspired recipe. Braised garden string beans and a fresh tomato sauce. Or if you're Greek, Fasolakia. But before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to my mother-in-law, Phyllis. She's the one behind the scenes putting in all the hard work in the garden. Thank you, Philly. You're doing a great job. We love you. Keep up the good work. So this dish is one of my favorite Greek staples to cook because it's so easy to make. It's delicious. It's healthy. My daughter likes it too. So it's also a great way to get your kids to eat more vegetables. That's always good. Okay, that's it. Let's start cooking. Ooh, we got a zucchini, Philly. I like adding potatoes to mine. I think it adds a little extra to the dish. It also helps thicken up the sauce too, but it's completely optional. Alright guys, so that was Fasolakia. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do me a favor. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.